Thanksgiving is coming soon, and for this week's Wednesday with Wayne, we wanted to share some quick turkey making safety tips. Did you know to safely defrost a turkey in the refrigerator, you'll need to allow 24 hours for every 4 to 5 pounds of turkey? For example, a 12-pound turkey will need about 3 days in the refrigerator. And keep in mind, you should never thaw your turkey on the counter because the outer part reaches a temperature where harmful bacteria can rapidly grow, even if the inside is still frozen. If you're short on time, you can use the cold water method. Submerge your turkey in cold water, changing out the water every 30 minutes. This takes about 30 minutes per pound, so for that same 12-pound turkey, it'll take about 6 hours. If you're planning to deep fry your turkey, there's a few steps you should follow to ensure you do it safely. Make sure you're outside, far from your home or any flammable surfaces. Keep the fryer on a flat, stable surface. Always thaw and pat your turkey completely dry. Water and hot oil don't mix. They can cause a dangerous splattering. Don't overfill the fryer with oil. Test the level with water beforehand to avoid spills. Use heat-resistant gloves and keep a fire extinguisher nearby just in case. Never leave your fryer unattended and keep kids and pets at a safe distance. From all of us at Wayne Insurance Group, we hope that you and your families have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Do you have any other Thanksgiving safety tips that you would like to share? Drop them in the comments below.